They're going to open the barrier now for the Jaguar Breakfast Club meeting, the first one ever in Scotland, and the first car is actually a Cougar, a Cougar Sports. I think it's got an XK engine.
From Jaguar Club Scotland. I'm at the Jaguar Breakfast Club event at Riverside Transport Museum, Glasgow. I'm talking to Sam here about her fantastic,
Hi, Sam.
fabulous Cougar Jaguar 4.2, yes. And how long have you had it for, Sam?
It's been on the road now for about 30 years, just shy of 30 years.
So, been on the road for just about shy of 30 years. However, was it not a racing car before?
It was. About 2 years into owning it,
Right.
I got approached by a number of racing teams.
Yes.
And I was lucky enough to be invited to join in the Sports Racing and GT Challenge.
Right.
To be honest, it wasn't my expertise, it was the fact they needed
Did
cars on the grid.
Cars on the grid, right?
As you did, it's expensive to hire
Yeah.
Silverstone and things like this.
So this was actually a racing car,
Yes, it had a full roll cage.
and you were actually the driver.
Yes.
All those
Nobody
years
has ever driven a car
What
properly.
yourself,
Apart
right?
from maybe my engineers probably test drive it up here in
And
Scotland.
so, how many years did you actually have where you're competing doing the racing?
4 full on, and then unfortunately I contracted a serious illness.
Right.
But as you can tell, I'm recovered.
Right. Oh, you're looking well, darling. You're looking well. Now, it was changed from a racing car to a road car,
Yeah.
so it's been used laterally mostly as a road car.
Yeah, but still with the roll cage on,
Right.
because it saved me putting up a tent. Because if I'm a wee person,
Right.
and you can just push this in,
Right.
push the wheel in,
Right.
put a pillow here, put a bit of a double yoga mat over the...
Do you mean you could actually sleep in the car?
Yeah, I do, because I sleep in a curl anyway.
Right.
Yeah.
So if you go to a long distance event,
Oh, I never take a tent anymore.
you just go
Yeah.
sleep in the car.
And then this comes over here,
Right.
and then I do it to about there. And if it's windy, I shout to somebody in the campsite. And I say,
cool
"Can you
car?
just tack me down?"
It's a cool car.
Thank you. I'm just having an interview.
So there you are. There's something a bit different.
It is, isn't it?
You hear the car shows, you always hear about different stories. That's certainly a story we haven't heard.
It's a camper van.
So it's actually a rich racing car, a show car, and it's actually an
Overnight camper.
accommodation.
Don't let's forget Top Gear.
Yes, don't forget
Top Gear, yeah.
Top Gear.
Of course he has. Why would I bandy it around? Yes,
Right, there
it
you
was.
go.
Thank
It's not
you.
it's also been on Top Gear. So we're not dealing with one celebrity, we're dealing with 2 celebrities here. We're dealing with the Cougar Jaguar legend, and we're also dealing with Sam, who's
So-
also a legend.
Okay. Could you actually tell us about how the car became a Cougar? Is it
It is a
a kit?
Cougar. That's
Is it
the mark.
a kit?
It's a kit.
Right. Okay.
A lovely man called Rick Stevens. I think it originally intended this to be a 3.8, and so I did have it as a 3.8.
And he built it.
No, he built the original car. The first 2 he built out of aluminium.
Ah,
and then
right.
his son, I think, and he made the gel coat. And
Right.
started selling kits. I
Okay.
believe I'm not wrong. It's approximately 400 worldwide. I believe.
400. Okay. And there's still
Worldwide.
400 running.
Well, we haven't actually seen, I don't think we've actually seen any more in Scotland apart from
There were 6 others when I came up here 10 years ago,
Right.
but they have dropped off the club register, so I have a horrible feeling, as they were more mature than I was. I mean, I'm in my early 70s now, but they were more mature than me, and I have a horrible feeling they're no longer.
no longer.
But I could be wrong. I could be wrong.
But you certainly you kept the car well, and it looks great at shows. And matter of fact, at the Clean Castle show last year, you had the car there, and you let all the children come and sit in it. and it was absolutely chock-a-block.
Hundreds of them.
Hundreds of children came
Yeah.
down, all of the pictures taken in the car. It was, and he actually won an award for that.
Yes, the best car in the show, which I thought was extremely generous, but it was from the public.
There again, that was from
was
the
the
public,
public's,
and the
yeah.
public voted for it because, again, your personality and the car's
I'm
charm.
very honoured that people like the car.
Well, Peter.
Okay, well,
that's
thanks
Sam.
very
Sam
much.
gave you a talk about the car.
Yes.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you, Sam.
So just pull it towards you, 10 to 2. Don't put your feet on my pedals, I'll have to kill you. Okay, so you can pretend to move the wheel, but don't move the wheel while it's stationary. So